So Kuminga with 14 makes it a 10-point game. Under 3 minutes to go. Full court pressure coming here for the Warriors. Gordon waiting for a screen. Now he and Nurkic with a two-man game. Nurkic leaves it for Goodwin, who scores with a left hand.
Excellent pass by Nurkic. Underrated passer.
Saric passed it up, drives on Nurkic. He's fouled. And free throws here for Dario Saric. How about the ball movement by Phoenix?
This is great. Little pocket pass by Gordon, and then Nurkic makes the next pass against the rotation.
Dario Saric for the Golden State line, 2 shots.
So Saric at the line. Golden State has 5 players in double figures off the bench. Saric now with 14. They've set a season high for points off the bench tonight. 67 points from the reserves of the Warriors. Podziemski has his first career double-double. Got a career high in rebounds tonight. So 2.5 to go here, Stan. It's a 10-point Suns lead.
And the Warriors staying in that press. The Warriors bench guys can thank their starters for the extra opportunity they got tonight in terms of minutes and shots and everything else, because the starters were so bad he had to go to his bench.
Ball control for Phoenix right now. Beal drives it. And Curry with the steal. Great hands. Curry, three-pointer. Got it. Stephen Curry gets the steal on one end, turns it into 3 points on the other.
Phoenix can't get conservative here. The Warriors are spread out defensively. They need to attack the score. See, the Warriors are pressing. They're letting the Warriors reset their defense. They're running clock.
Up top, Gordon. The lob from Nurkic. That's Gordon's kind of lob right there.
Yes.
Curry again. In and out. Goodwin the rebound. Curry got a deflection. And Saric with the steal. And that's Golden State ball. Suns a little loose with the ball here, giving the Warriors a couple of chances. Stephen Curry, the only starter on the floor. Podziemski with the reverse. That's a strong hand, the left hand.
That's terrible defense by Phoenix. You can't mess around with games like this and give them something that quick. You've got to finish the game right now and take the win.
Paul fouls Goodwin.
Number 3, Chris Paul is third personal.
Free throws coming for Jordan Goodwin. Hey, don't forget, coming up, as soon as we're done here in Phoenix, inside the NBA, presented by Kia, Lefko, Grant Hill, Jamal Crawford, Vince Carter. Filling in for the regular inside guys, Ernie Johnson, inducted into the Sports Broadcasting Hall of Fame tonight in New York City. Congrats to our fearless leader.
Is Lefko now a one-name guy?
He's a one-name. He's a one-name
really?
guy. Yes. Well, he's a dad now, so he's a one-namer. Like Madonna, Prince, Lefko.
I didn't realize that Lefko had gone to that level.
That's right. Approaching the 1 minute mark. Ball gets right high. Nurkic lays it in. And Kuminga with a steal. Wow, the Suns just giving it away here. Kuminga drives, throws it down. The Suns with some costly turnovers. Frank Vogel is beside himself. Gordon and Goodwin on the floor for the Suns off the bench with Nurkic, Beal, and Booker. Beal and Booker playing their first game together in the regular season with the Suns.
They're going to come in double right here. You've got to get somebody to the middle of the floor. Nurkic comes.
Beal's got it. Clock ticks. Cross court. Here's Goodwin for 3. No, hit the backboard. 2-possession game. 45 seconds left. Podziemski drives. Podziemski got it. It's a three-point game.
And plenty of time here. No need for the Warriors to foul. And Frank Vogel's going to take his last time out here. Because the Suns have not done a good job executing against it down the stretch.
Both teams with a penalty.
And they will come in double again.
Booker chases out of it. Here's Gordon. Big possession right here. Warriors on a 16-6 run. They've cut it to three. Gordon for three. That's off. Podziemski with a rebound. Suns led by 13 points with 4 minutes left in regulation. Now the Warriors a chance to tie. Podziemski makes it a one-point game.
Well, they don't have to foul right away here. I would try to get at least one trap.
Gordon to Booker.
Now you're going to have to cut foul.
And the foul is taken. That'll send Booker to the line with 9.4 seconds left. An 18-6 Warriors run.
Well, the Warriors have done a great job. They did a great job of creating turnovers, and then it was just a layup drill at that end. The Phoenix just quit playing defense, offered no resistance whatsoever. And then the Warriors took the ball out of Booker's hands down here and made other guys play, and they were not able to come through.
Booker's a great free throw shooter.
I mean, this is what we've seen down the stretch. Just drive the ball to the rim and lay it in. I mean, it's really looked like a warm-up drill.
Kid's had a great night. 16 points. Podziemski, 18 points, I beg your pardon, 11 boards, 5 assists. Booker hits a couple of big free throws there. It is a one-possession game. Warriors take their last timeout. They'll advance the ball. No fouls to give, no timeouts left. Here we go, 9.4 seconds left. Curry puts up a quick three, short. And the ball is loose into the hands of Beal and a quick foul. And now Phoenix can put it away. Curry got a look. He doesn't need much space, but he came up short.
That's a tough shot, but he had to get it up quick. He's expecting that Phoenix will foul. And so if he puts it on the floor, he's not going to get an opportunity to get off the shot. Then the Warriors will be headed to their 6th straight road loss.
And there you go.
He's as good from three as they are at the free throw line, where he's over 90%.
So Beal hits them both. And that'll take us to the finish line here. Podziemski is going to go all the way in. 20 points tonight for Podziemski, but the Suns prevail.